Now sis, peep this. This is our mommy room redo, inspired by former New York Knicks Kenyon Martin's game room. And it all started because of your comments. After we featured Kenyon's game room in our recent Celebrity Slate special edition, you asked, could we recreate that luxury game room on a mommy room redo budget? Girl, yes. Today, I'm showing you exactly how we created our version of Kenyon's game room, starting with the must-haves and then adding in the upgrades. Because let's be real, even ballers aren't building rooms like this overnight. And with that, let's get started. Now sis, this room is gorgeous. The sleek modern pool table, the bold black and white rug, the oversized television, the pops of red, the dramatic lighting, everything works together beautifully. But recreating this exact room, that could easily cost tens of thousands of dollars. So here's how I'd approach it. I always start with the foundation. Forget the custom bar, forget the accent chairs, forget the memorabilia. Let's build a functioning game room first. All right, so I want you to check out the items that I think are must-haves. Must-have number one, the MD Sports Titan 7.4 foot billiard table. Got that from Wayfair for just around $1,000. Now this doesn't look like Kenyon's pool table. Still, it's sleek, it's sexy, and it's a centerpiece that all your other items can revolve around. Must have number two, that Tabor checkered border rug. Got that from Overstock for $199. Instead of paying custom prices, this rug captures the same bold graphic feel while keeping the budget under control. Must have number three, check out that 75-inch smart TV. You can get it from Walmart or BJ's for less than $500. Because a game room without a TV? No ma'am. Must have number four, pick up that PlayStation 5 Pro from Walmart. You can get it for roughly $900. Now you may disagree and say this isn't a must-have, but you can't have the ultimate game room unless you have the ultimate game console. Of course, chairs are another essential. Instead of buying expensive accent chairs immediately, I suggest purchasing two black folding chairs until the budget allows for an upgrade. Now sis, even though I think Kenyon's game room is all that and a bag of chips, I did make some changes. The first thing I did was simplify the entertainment center. I felt it looked a little dated, and I wanted to create a cleaner media wall with hidden PlayStation storage and a more streamlined look. I think it gives the room a timeless feel. The second thing I did was change that wall color. Now don't get me wrong, Kenyon's crisp white walls look fantastic, but for our mommy room redo version, I wanted something moodier, something richer, something that would make every element in the room pop. So we went with the Sherwin-Williams iron ore, and sis, the color is fire. It completely transforms the space and lets the pool table, artwork, rug, and any future changes become the stars of the show. So sis, look at what we've accomplished already. It's simple, modern, clean, and completely functional. So let's look at what we spent on these must-haves, including the pool table, rug, TV, PS5, lighting, paint, and temporary seating. That came to $2,953.94. Now that's still a lot of money, but I guarantee you that's nowhere near what was spent for Kenyon's game room. And it's a realistic place to begin. If you haven't already, subscribe, y'all. We're on a mission to get 10,000 sisters strong over the next 6 months. So join our sisterhood and get the decor that counts. Let's start talking about phase 2. This is where we discuss the nice to have items. Now that we've built the foundation, let's make this room feel truly custom. First, I'd replace those temporary folding chairs with 2 Zuri bouncy red accent chairs. Got those from Wayfair for $389 each. Next, I'd install 2 modern ceiling fans from Lowe's, totaling $898. Then I'd add the recessed lighting. Now the lights plus the labor comes to roughly $1,700. And yes, that's a lot, but the upgrade is totally worth it. Then I'd mount the pool cues neatly on the wall using the Amazon Q Rack that's only $29.89. Next comes media storage. We selected IKEA's Besta built-in system for roughly $799. It modernizes the wall and hides all the clutter. Over in the corner, I'd add the Walmart bar cabinet and power outlet. You can get that for $369.99. And while we're at Walmart, might as well pick up those adjustable bar stools. You can get 2 for $97.75. Now you've got a dedicated entertaining area without spending thousands on custom cabinetry. Then I'd personalize the room with sports, artwork, and memorabilia. You should probably budget around $600 for that. That would cover a Knicks poster, a framed ticket stub, signed memorabilia. Make it personal. And finally, I'd top everything off with a custom 16-inch by 48-inch Etsy man cave sign. You should probably budget $170 for that. It's the perfect finishing touch. All right, so look at what we spent for the nice to have upgrades. For phase 2A, upgrades 1 through 5, that cost $4,204.89. Then for phase 2B, that included upgrades 6 through 9. That cost $1,235.04 for a total of $5,439.93. This right here shows the grand total for the entire project. Phases 1 and 2 came to $8,393.87. I want you to go back to phase 1 for a second. As you can see, the room already looks great, but when you add these upgrades, it gives the space personality, warmth, character, and makes it feel uniquely yours. Now, I think this mommy room redo is fabulous, but what do you think? Did we slay this game room or did we miss the mark? Let us know down in the comments. Before we close, I'd like to leave you with your soft life moment. Sis, beautiful homes aren't built in a day. Maybe today it's a gallon of paint. Next month, it's a rug. A few months later, it's the pool table. Progress is still progress. And with one thoughtful decision at a time, you're creating a home your family will love for years to come. Kenyon Martin's game room inspired today's makeover, but the real goal was never to copy a celebrity. It was to create a place where your own family can gather, watch the game, shoot pool, and laugh. Make memories together, because behind every beautiful space, there's an even better story. Quick temperature check. I just want to make sure you're good. If this is your kind of conversation, I want to invite you to a deeper connection by joining the Redo Room right here on YouTube. This is Black Decor with intention and meaning. To join, just click the join button next to subscribe on this video. If you're watching on your phone, tap join right under the video title. Everything happens right here on YouTube. Thanks for hanging out with me today, family. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell so you won't miss the next soulful, inspirational moment right here on Mommy Room Redo.